Yeah.
Weezy out of here.
The dash is digi, the schedule busy, my head in a...
Hey guys, Hector back with another video, and in today's video actually is going to be something a little bit different from the usual that I be doing. Today we actually be going to a car meet with my car club, which is Vengeance Auto Club. I will give you more information about my car club later, but right now we're in Queens. We're in Pizza Hut, I think it is, and we're just waiting for a couple more people to arrive, and then I'm going to be showing you guys what we're going to be doing. We're going to be, you know, messing up the street and everything. We're gonna be doing donuts, burnouts, and everything. So I'll take you guys on a ride with me, and then I'll see you when everybody gets here and when people start doing burnouts. What's good, baby? Ease up. Ease up. Hold down. Let me know what that. I need to know the actual time. I don't want to look at. Yeah. Alright, so the time right now is 2:11. We're actually waiting for a couple more people. We're waiting for Bully and a couple more people that should be here in like 10 minutes. And then after that we should be rolling out. And yeah, so hopefully they come in a couple minutes.
We've been waiting for like 20 minutes now, but they should be coming soon because rollout was supposed to be at 2, so we should be good in a few.
Yep. So I'll see you guys when they all come.
That was a recall. Alright, so a lot of you guys want to hear the last shit. The last thing, big thing we did, we got everybody out. Shit happened. Whatever. The time to say, we gotta do a new Zello. So before we leave, I'm just gonna hand out the link in the chat for the new Zello real quick.
Wow.
Yo, you just try to be safe and shit, man. Don't, you know, I'm fucking kind of a bad example. Nobody, you get pulled over, fucking just stop, bro. Don't fucking do what I do. Anyway, we got Baltimore here. He came down. We got a couple people here from Baltimore. He got to do with us today. We're gonna go. We have Brooklyn to do, but it's really up to y'all, man. We can do our own thing like we planned, do Brooklyn, or we go meet up with the bikes in Flushing Meadow Park. And then, because the time is getting short right now, where we want to pop up at the M5 Boys meet. That's at 5 o'clock, and that's right here.
So you might as well do the bike shit because we go deep Brooklyn. It'll be a minute to come back.
It's gonna take a long time to get back, or whatever. So that's it for now. Everybody know Bully's in charge, and I'm not around. Y'all know Bully is that Bully right there. That's about it. Everybody got any questions and shit?
So right now we're about to actually roll out. Everybody's here. Right now I'm actually going to Zello. Zello is our walkie-talkie, which is how we stay connected with everybody and how we know where to go if we get lost or anything. So like I said, my girlfriend's gonna be taking videos of me driving, everybody else. So right now we're about to roll out, and I'll see you guys in a few minutes.
Guys, I don't know if Hector is filming right now or not, but we just got to the first meet spot. I don't know if there's another one, but I think this is the only one. But if there is, obviously we'll let you guys know. But this is the first meet spot. We're still in Queens. Right now we're just, everybody's just hanging out, talking and whatever. They're probably gonna do some like donuts and like burnouts and stuff in a few. They're just all like talking and whatever, but I'm in the car because I'm freezing. Even though it's the first like nice day, I'm still cold. I'm always cold. But yeah, like I said, they're just all talking. I'll probably go outside in a few. And yeah, like I said, I don't know if he filmed anything, but it's just me. So yeah, like I said, if anything exciting happens, I'll pull the camera out. And yeah. Oh, a little update. Hector's over there talking to people, but we kind of just like all organized this like we like put the cars in like a V shape, and they were taking pictures up there. I'm not sure if Hector got anything because like I said, I've been like sitting in the car the whole time, but he probably filmed. So this is just my view of everything, but he's over there talking. I think I'm gonna get out now and like go conversate with people because I feel like, you know, even though I'm freezing. But yeah, just a little update. I think it's like 4 something right now, I'm not even sure. So hopefully we do exciting things soon. I'm gonna go see what Hector caught on camera, and I'm just gonna go see what they're up to.
What up, guys? So we actually just left the first spot. We were just taking a few pictures with the cars and everything. Now we're going to the second meet spot, which is gonna be a car meet over there. And once we get there, we should be getting there in like 20 minutes. I don't know how long the drive is.
It's another car club,
yeah,
right?
It's another car club
Okay.
that's hosting it. We're just going over there to, you know, to mesh it up and all that stuff. So
we're gonna finally see some action.
yeah, we're definitely gonna see some action. Not now. It's just we were just taking pictures.
Yeah. So this was just to take a group photo.
Yeah,
then, right?
we'll just take a group photo, and then after that, we're gonna go over there and, you know, start doing burnouts and see some action. So I'll let you see you guys when I get.
Let's go.
Up to y'all. Like, we could go somewhere right now and come back in a little bit because the meet don't even start yet and nobody's here.
We see Popo already.
They got that fucking salt pile for the winter.
Oh my God, they're looking.
Yo, we could probably look.
Okay, so update.
So
We're gonna go get food
Oh, y'all niggas
because,
want Spanish food like Cuchi Frito?
because the cops are there.
Yeah,
So we're gonna
so-
come back in about like a half hour to an hour.
Yeah.
Cuchi Frito, that's a...
Yeah, Spanish food.
Yeah, that's Spanish food. That sounds like, I don't know. I don't want to say it, but it sounds dirty.
Okay. So anyway, yeah, we're gonna go get
Well, I'm
food
taking
and then we're gonna be back
we eat there
later.
real quick,
So
and then after that,
we'll update you in a bit. They're just having a little group huddle over there. This is the restaurant that everybody ate at. It's the Rock restaurant. It's just an American and Spanish place. Me and Hector didn't eat because we thought it was just a little too early to eat, because we're definitely gonna eat later. We usually like to eat dinner around like 7-ish. Right now everybody was eating around like 5:30, so we thought it was a little too early. We didn't want to eat now and then be hungry later, so we just decided to wait. But yeah, I think there's another meat spot. I'm not really sure. But yeah, we really don't know what's gonna happen now. Hector's coming back. So let's see what he says. Is the door unlocked? Hi, what happened? What happened?
Nothing. We're going to Allen Park or some shit like that to go see Empire Boys means there, because the first spot that Empire Boys had, they shut it down. So the cops shut it down like 20 minutes. So we're gonna go over there. Then now over there, then we're just gonna go to another place in Queen, Massbeth or something like that. And then we're just gonna do our own like meet there and like, you know, do burnouts and all that stuff before we leave for the night.
Hopefully, because that's
Hopefully.
what we're like here for.
Yeah, that's what I'm saying. So hopefully we could do that, but we'll let you know when we get there and shit. So yeah.
All right.
Here we go. This is the accent right here. We need.
Yo. Oh my God. Yo. Oh my God. How the fuck do I close this? Oh my God. Oh my God, those pieces of the tire were burning me. Oh my God. Oh my God. Yo, I felt those things.
I
hurting
Are
me.
you really? That's sick. That's sick, nigga.
Oh my god. This is crazy.
Damn it.
Yo, Chris, you're bugging, bro.
Let's go catch our vibe.
Yo, you need to chill with that, bro. You're not
Chris, stop. You are
That's crazy. I used to have a talk to the cops was gonna come from. I just thought over this shit right here. Yeah, you got the Rango.
Sometimes it's just too hard to enjoy car meets because the cops come really freaking quick.
What up, guys? So it's the next day. Sorry last night I did not do a closeout video. You know, as you guys can see, we literally got shut down like maybe like 10 to 20 minutes after being there. So, you know, we just went straight home, got something to eat, and then just went straight to bed. But if you guys want to have any information about the car club, any information about even joining the club, you could DM me on both my Instagrams, or you could DM the actual car club Instagram, which is going to be Vengeance Auto Club. Or if you're from NYC, you can also DM them, which is going to be Vengeance_NYC. But we don't only have NYC, we also have 7 other states, which is going to be NYC, New Jersey, Philly, Baltimore, Detroit, Georgia, and South Carolina. And at this time, we're trying to extend to other states because we're trying to be a worldwide club. So if you guys have any information, you could be in any state, just DM me, or you could just DM the Vengeance Auto Club, whatever state you're in, and then do that. If you don't have a state where we have it, you could just DM Vengeance Auto Club, and we could try to start, you know, doing takeovers over there so we can have our own club and our own state over there. So if you guys want to do that, everything will be in the link in the description below. And like I said, like and subscribe, you know, push that post notification button, and you know, do what you have to do. And I'll see you guys in the next video. You already know. Ooh.
You can go, leave, got M's in the bank, like yes, indeed. Me and my dog.